Hope you're all well. I am Charly, and I'm here to let you know about a new activity we have coming up. Storybusters. So what is Storybusters? First, we'll be looking at stories, and the video will be available online so you can watch it beforehand. Then we will join for a workshop with drama activities and games. When is it happening? June the 17th, Wednesday morning at 11 a.m. for 30 minutes. It will be quick, but it'll be a great opportunity to have fun and use your imagination. How to join us? Have a look on YouTube. mousetrap.org.uk/storybusters. You can click on the link, or you can ask your parents to help you. All the information will be accessible. Now, the sessions are suitable for young people 7 to 12. Hearing, deaf, everyone is welcome because the sessions will be run in BSL and voiceover. I'll be working with Laura, who will be doing the English, and you'll be able to see both of us on screen. Are you keen to come and join us? See you there.